Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Roche. Welcome to Beautymagz. In today's video, I am going to share to you my recommendation on how to get rid of smelly underarms, or you say bad odor. Similar to my previous underarm videos, I always mention this, smelly underarms. I don't have bad odor, but it is just a normal, like sour on my underarms, and I'm very conscious about it. You cannot really like smell it if you're near me, but with myself, if I smell something, I would be very conscious. These products may not work for you, okay? So that's a disclaimer. Not all products will gonna be work for you, okay? But it's gonna be working on me. I'm just gonna throw out there that we have different pH balance. It might not work, okay, for you. My remedy for getting rid of this smelly underarms are the following. Cleansing, number one. My tip for cleansing, since I have been a little bit of sensitive recently with a number of products that I've been using, so I tend to lessen my cleansing process. So instead of using a brush, a lemon, and a washcloth, I use a liquid soap, okay? I use Safeguard. It is the only soap that works for my body. I don't know why. I try to just use my hands in washing or cleaning my underarms. Number two, baby oil. Some bloggers are raving about baby oil that can whiten the underarms. I use it 3 days straight, nothing happened, okay? So for me, baby oil doesn't really work for me on like whitening or brightening my underarms, but this is very good for cleaning my underarms. I started this regimen October 3rd and now it's November 13. I only use baby oil probably in duration of 4 times only, so I'm not very heavy-handed with it. When I feel like my underarms are sticky, then for me that's the time to use baby oil. So what I do with this is I use a cotton ball, grab a few drops in there with a cotton, and then just rub it into the underarms, okay? And leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, or if you want it longer to make your skin softer, you can do it 30 minutes, okay? With mine, I only use it once a day, and I use it at night. Number 3, alcohol. So I did use alcohol. This is ethyl, any alcohol will do. So when I feel like my underarms are sticky, then I will use it. So at the time when I was traveling, I used it, okay? So just once, all right? For about, I think it was 9 days when I was out, or 8 days, and I used alcohol. So that's it. Number 3, alcohol is very good too, but overusing alcohol, it might not be good. Use less, and when you are not sensitive, you can do more. After we do the cleaning of our underarms, what we're gonna do now? We're gonna do like our face, we're gonna tone our underarms. So my toner that I've been using is Thayer's. I have a big bottle, it's already little now, guys. Okay, this is my favorite toner of all time. I discovered this when I was pregnant, okay, because I want to use a non-alcohol toner and also natural. So, and I found this, and ever since, this is my toner, my go-to toner. There might be other toner that's also good, but I always come back with this, and this is with aloe vera and cucumber. I like the cucumber. Okay, so that's my preferred scent, cucumber. There's rose water, something like that. There are so many variants with this, but I like the cucumber. Same with cleansing with a baby oil. Same thing with a cotton bud, just don it and then dry a little bit. So when your underarms are dry, then you are going to moisturize. Okay, like a face, you have to moisturize. So with this product that I'm very, very excited about is Mestin. Alright, so I just discovered it through a friend. This is a checkout dark spot corrector, and this is whitening plus collagen. So it's also selling in Amazon if you are not from the Philippines. So this is available in Amazon. I'm not very particularly sure about which country, but just try to search it. It will come up. Okay, and it ranges about $9.99. So here in the Philippines it's cheaper. So this is only cost 299 pesos. Probably it's about $5 or $6, like that. For the description, it says keep skin dull and rough better. Extracts of green apples mixed with collagen helps restore the skin surface with soft, moist, with direct access to hydro moist the skin effectively. Look radiant, flawless skin, even sensitive skin. For all the problems, dark neck, arm circles, black bottom, black marks, groin. For the use, just apply the cream all over the designated areas that what you want, probably the neck, underarms, groin, elbows and knees, and use it daily, morning and evening, or whenever is needed. 48 grams. I have been using this since October the 3rd. Okay, and how I apply, it's just very easy. Okay, since this is just a cream like any other cream, you just grab a portion of this, a little about pea size, and then you just rub it to the skin. It's very, very easy. Okay, and when you apply a few minutes later, or like let's say 2 to 3 minutes, it will absorb to the skin. You feel very soft. It seems like there is a property in there that makes the skin so gentle and so subtle. So I really like the feeling on my underarms when I apply it. The smell, okay, it says a green apple, so probably that's the smell that I've been, yeah, it's the green apple with a mix of a little bit of flowery scent, but very, very mild. So I do love it. The consistency of this is not thick. Okay, it's just like lotion, guys. It's very, very, I don't know, easy to apply, and it glides to the skin so nicely, and it also absorbs like that. So, and it doesn't leave any residue or anything like that, and it doesn't stain as well for if you have concerns with your clothes. It solves my smelly underarms. This one serves to me like a moisturizer slash deodorant. I feel very confident now since I use it. So I tested it out for a good 3 weeks, and I never have a problem with getting smelly. Every time I sweat, it doesn't give me an odor. Okay, so that's really good. I really want a product that would not like hinder your sweat glands from producing it, because you need to sweat, okay, because you need to have the toxins out from the body, and sweat glands is that glands that would help, right? So with my body, I don't sweat here like my upper part, I sweat down. Okay, so starting from my legs and then underarms. So when I feel sweaty underarms, then that's what I feel uncomfortable. This, though I sweat, it doesn't give me any bad odor. So I like it. So on my 3rd week, I tested it out for not using the product for about 4 days. Okay, so 4 days, it's starting to give me like a little bit of sour smell. Okay, so but it's not bad. I can even probably do it like a week, but in terms of smell, I'm just not comfortable with it. So yes, and I think this is it. I probably will not gonna switch to any other products. Probably there is one, of course. I have to take a break from using it, right? So you need to. Products sometimes would work that way, okay? And the one that really also is useful for me, or that works for me, is of course with my video guys, Scion. No stocks with Mistine. Then of course I have my Scion for my backup. Okay, so either way, both of these really is good. I would recommend both of these. Okay, so whatever it is that you prefer, this is 48 grams for $2.99, and Scion is 60 ml for 300 pesos. Okay, so with either way, guys, I would recommend both of these for controlling like your smell. I believe this Mistine has more longevity on my body. Okay, so it really depends on you, but for me, this one takes a bit longer, or it would last. Okay, because this is only like good for 24 hours, and probably for me, for my body, maybe 2 days. Okay, this one 4 days. That's my review or my recommendation to you on how to get rid of your smelly underarms. If you have questions about products that I've been using, comment down below. Write me your comments or whatever questions that you may have. Okay, alright, so I guess this would end my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned out from this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Alright, till then.